Today, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this body scrubber. If you're looking for something like you hate loofahs, they're kind of annoying, you have to hang them, all that stuff. This thing takes care of all of that. It comes in all sorts of different colors, sizes. I'm going to tell you everything you want to know about it. So let's take a quicker look right over here. So this is exactly what it looks like right over here. This is the box it comes in. I usually don't care about the box, but I was kind of impressed when I got this. I was like, oh, this is kind of cool. Feels giftable. So very giftable box that it comes in right over here. So it's about 5 by 5. So you have this bristles right over here. This is great for exfoliation. It's designed for sensitive skin, so you don't have to worry about that. It goes on really nicely. If you can see it here, you can see here that has nice long bristles, which is great. We have a little hole right over here if you wanted to hang this up. If you had like a hook in the shower, or you wanted to hang it off of something, you could do that. The cool part about this one too is it's super easy to hang. So you'll see this, we have this handle right over here. Well, if you just wanted to put this against the wall, you could do that. You just suction that down. It's like a suction cup. And now it's kind of like stuck there, right over there. And it comes up very easily. It's super quick drying, which I particularly like. And you got this nice non-slip handle in the back. So you could really get your hand on there like that, and then you could just come over here and just get over there. It even makes it easier to reach to the back right over here, as you can see over there. With like a traditional washcloth or something, it's like kind of harder, but you get that nice little extra coverage by getting that over there. And it's just super nice, super comfortable. You don't have to worry about this kind of like collecting, like staying wet all the time. I use this at the gym all the time. So what I like about this at the gym is, one, it quickly dries, so I don't have to worry about that. I just put it in the gym bag. I could literally just go like this with my towel, and this thing is dry. I don't have to worry about water leaking all over my gym bag. Which is one of my favorite parts about this. It's super easy to travel with as well. And again, with this handle, I like the fact that you could stick it anywhere. Like when I'm kind of at the gym, I don't, what in the past when I had like a washcloth, like I don't want to put it on anything in the gym. So to be able just to stick this to the side of the wall at the gym, I really don't care about this side at all because it's not going on my body or anything like that. So that is a really nice function with this one too. In terms of traveling, super easy to travel with this. Literally could just throw it in a backpack. Takes up hardly any space. Again, this does come in a bunch of different colors as well. I actually have two of these. I have one for home, and then the one that I take to the gym with me and technically travel with. Just really, really like this a lot. Again, it does come in different colors. You got these nice bristles here. Can be used daily. It's good for exfoliation, sensitive skin, all that stuff. I know sometimes in the winter, it gets a little, sometimes your hands get a little dry or your skin gets dry. You don't have to worry about that with this. You could work on your face. You could basically do anything with this, and it's super comfortable. The soap on it really lathers up. I feel like sometimes when you use a loofah, you waste a ton of soap because you got to put a lot of soap on it. For this, you just need 1 or 2 drops and you're good to go. Gets it nice and foamy, and then you just literally rinse this and you're good to go. You can literally just go like this. It dries very quickly, or you do it in your towel. So if you're looking for a great body scrubber that's super comfortable, works for any type of skin, really, comes in different colors, can be hung, can be suctioned to a wall. You will absolutely love this thing. I know I do. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and enjoy.